Welcome to Raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create survey application in UiPath apps. So here we'll discuss about in detail how we will create the survey page and do the survey for our project requirement. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So if you can see here, I've already created one survey page here where I've just defined one button where when I will click on this button, it will jump to this Survey Sparrow website and it will select any of the survey page. We can directly integrate into our UiPath apps. So you can see here, this survey is totally built for employee engagement survey. So it's already available in Survey Sparrow page. We don't need to create it specially for our project needs. Simply we have to use it inside our UiPath apps, which is very simple enough. I will show you how we'll do that. First, let's see what all we have inside the Survey Sparrow employee engagement survey. So here, what do I call you? So we have to enter our name. Let's say Deepak. Then click on this. Then it will ask next question. So in which department you are working or which department do you belong to? So let's say human resource. How inspired are you to do your best in human resource? So let's say this one. Okay. Does the company motivates you to go beyond your role? Always. To receive due recognition for your achievements? Always. So they have set of questions which is available where we have to answer all of the complete page. So let's see how we will integrate inside our UiPath app. So here we have to just click on create new app and provide the name of the app. Survey Sparrow. And click on create. You'll find it out the interface which is available for creating a survey page or for building an application for survey page. So let me give you some small introduction about Survey Sparrow. Now for creating account inside the Survey Sparrow, we have to simply go to the surveysparrow.com. surveysparrows.com. I will include the URL in description tab where you have to provide business email ID, password, and your company domain, on which domain you're looking forward to use it. Post that once you will click on get started, it will navigate to the your email ID or send the email ID verifications. Once you're done the verification, it will successfully create your account for your requirement. So it's very simple enough. Here you'll find it out all these templates are available for this survey. Apart of this, we do have lot enough more in Survey Sparrow page where you will find it out different components. Let's say if you want to build a chatbot, you have to simply click on this and you will find it out one chatbot is already available here. Now here, when I want to create a new survey, so click on new survey. There are classic surveys available where you can rate yourself and define the different aspects or different elements while creating the survey. We do have the chat survey. You can create it accordingly. Let's say if you want to create a blank chat survey, then you have to provide the name of your chat survey. Let's say employee and click on workspace. So I have selected here mine, click this survey and you can add different fields. So this is very simple enough. You have to select on this page and you can directly use this field inside that. So once you'll click on that, this field will be added. You have to modify the changes and now it will become a chat survey for you. So there's no need of creating any specific components. Everything is available in Survey Sparrow. We have to just use it. And once you are done, simply click on preview and your survey report will be published. So by this way, we can create a chat survey for our organizations. We can also create different other aspects like NPS survey, offline survey. Offline survey is basically used if you are facing any issue inside the internet and you don't want to your employee to go to the internet and add the survey for you. So basically you will create offline survey and share the link with your team. They will download it and they can add the survey in offline mode without using any internet. Then we do have 360-degree survey also. So these a lot many features are available in Survey Sparrow. We can use it in UiPath apps. So let's say how we can use it. Simply go to here and click on button. Add this button. So when we are using a button and on click of this button, we will directly jump to the Survey Sparrow page. Here, I am just using event or create a rule. Here, we will call an URL or open an URL. So whatever things we want to integrate it, simply use the complete setting here. So just see, I want to use some default template, or let's say I've created this field. Let me use this one. So here simply I will add the URL and post that my component. Let me check for the preview. Now you'll see the preview is started generating and you'll find it out one button is available. On clicking of this button, it will navigate to the next page. So here we have to allow your browser. Now on clicking of this button, it will navigate to the next page where you will find it out your survey is available. Now you can see post clicking on this URL, it was directly navigated to this your ask. You will find it out this component is available. So for this chat survey, I have not created much of the things. I have not generated many of the questions. So simply one question I have added here, post that it will directly add to the data. So by this way, we can build n number of survey or chat survey by using Survey Sparrow, which is very helpful while creating a flow or while integrating inside on any UiPath application, which will help us to complete our task. This is simple enough. Once we'll create this app, maybe we can integrate inside any project or any organization's related requirement, which will very helpful for the HR team to get any data from the employee related to the employee onboarding process, related to the different other aspects, which is very simple enough. So that's all about this video. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. And one important thing, if you know any other logic related to this, kindly add into the comment sections. Thank you.